Ultimate Touchless Experience. EKO Aroma Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser * elevate your hand washing routine with the EKO Aroma Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser. Designed for maximum convenience and hygiene, this advanced dispenser leverages touchless technology to ensure sanitary hand washing without physical contact. Its quick and responsive sensor detects hands within 3 inches and dispenses liquid soap in just 0.2 seconds, offering unmatched efficiency. Customize your hand washing with 3 adjustable settings, making this dispenser ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, offices, and more. Enjoy extended power with up to 3 months of use on a single quick recharge, thanks to the water-resistant charging port. With a generous 9 fluid ounces capacity, it meets various needs, while the innovative self-cleaning mode maintains internal mechanisms for long-term reliability. Refilling is effortless with the pop-up lid design, promoting a spill-free environment. The sleek dark gray design integrates seamlessly into any decor, combining style with functionality. Trust EKO's commitment to excellence for an elevated hand washing experience that blends superior quality with cutting-edge technology.